May I present to you Trondur Festjesteren and Lumiere Faith and Dolle Hansen.
Lumia, jeg vælger dig i dag, og det vil jeg blive ved med resten af mit liv. Jeg elsker dig hele mit hjerte, nu og for altid.
I thank God for bringing you into my life, and I thank Him for every breath that led me to you. And I thank Him that today I finally get to call you my husband. Forever and always I choose you.